Alright guys, M-Tech Guy here, and today we're taking a look at the E53 X5. Now, we got problems today. The window regulator's broken. Very common problem on these cars. If it's not the bloody door handles breaking, then it's the window regulators. Now, I've owned this car for approximately 3 or 4 years, and I've been pretty lucky up to now. This is the first window regulator I've had go. I've had to do 2 door handles, but this is the first window regulator. Now, this car's my family wagon. The wife and kids were out in it recently, and they were about an hour from home. They rolled this window down on the right rear door, and it just stuck in position right down. So they've had to drive an hour back home on the motorway. It's got pretty windy in the back there. Pretty exciting for the kids, but obviously not ideal. And these things always seem to happen when it's bloody miserable weather, of course. So these problems normally rear their ugly head without any warning, and then what happens is you find yourself in a situation where your window's down and you need to do something about it. Now, I normally order my parts out of North America. They normally take up to 2 weeks to get here, so I'm sort of in a predicament where I need to do something about the window now to keep the weather out. We can't be driving around with the window down all the time, and also it's not ideal for security purposes when it's parked up. So what I've done here, I've managed to position the glass back up into position. Now, you might get lucky enough where it's stuck sort of halfway down, 2/3 of the way down, that you can still get hold of the glass, and what you can do is push against it and just tease it back up, right up into position. I wasn't that lucky. The glass had gone right the way down, so the top of it was flush with the top of the door card, so I couldn't get hold of it. So what I had to do is remove the door card and then just get a hold of it from the bottom and just push it back up. And then what I've done here, I've been out and bought one of these small little dent pullers. It cost me about $5, and I've got that just stuck to the glass there, and it's just resting on top of the door card there, so that's good enough just to hold it in place for the time being. And it is pretty solid and sturdy there. Now it's got that in position, and it'll sit nice and steady in the frame there, so it's good enough for now, but of course not ideal in the long term. It'll just buy me a bit of time until them parts show up, and then I can fit the new regulator once it arrives. So I thought I'd make a quick video for you guys today just to show you that wee trick. If you do find yourself in the same predicament, then that'll just buy you a bit of time until you get yourself sorted with the proper part. So what I'll do is I'll make a part 2 with the proper fix, but I'll put this video out just for now, just to hopefully help you guys out who might find yourselves in the same position. Okay, if you found the video interesting or useful, don't forget to give it a like and remember to subscribe. I'm M-Tech Guy. Thanks a lot for watching.